look at how to make the design on brand. So that's the BIMS brand, and I've got the brand guidelines there, so we'll talk a little bit about that as well. I'm going to talk about and show examples of content hierarchy. So that's things like your headline text, subheaders, your body text, maybe bullets, things like that, so that there is the correct order that you're reading it.
When was the last time you've audited your social media platforms? I bet you've got a few social media platforms that you don't like. I know that LinkedIn, it tends to be one that gets a bit of a bad rep, which is a shame because it's good. I like LinkedIn. But what you can do is go onto your various social media platforms, take your screen grabs. It's worth also doing it both on mobile and your screenshot as well. And just make sure that they all look like they're part of the same family. Make sure that it's all got the same message. The graphics are up to date.
I am a graphic designer, a branding specialist with over 20 years experience. So I actually studied branding and packaging and graduated back in 2004. So it's been quite a long time that I've been in the design world, and I heard about Canva back in 2017, and I'm now very much all in with Canva. I've been to the headquarters a few times. In fact, I'm going to be talking on a stage at Canva HQ tomorrow as part of a panel. So that's very exciting. So I've got these certifications and badges. The big one that I'm really pleased about, I'm officially a certified Canva community trainer, and apparently there's only like 3 in the UK. I'm also a Canvassador, and I also am an official Canva creator. So I do have a handful of templates in actual Canva. I have an article that I write every 2 months as part of the bi-monthly Brand Due magazine. So I've got my Canva corner. So I do get out and about a bit, sharing my knowledge and expertise about both design, branding and Canva.